If you remembered in our call to action chapter, I mentioned I will come back to this point of book appointments with Facebook in a later part. And to take maximum benefit of this facility, we will require to set up few things. So that setup was required for services we provide. So now our service section is ready, so we can proceed with the book appointments part. See, there are many paid services available to book appointments on your website and to integrate the same with Facebook. But right now what I am suggesting is not to go for any kind of paid services. Just you need to have your Gmail ID, and with that you can integrate these services of book appointments. Let's look how we can do it. If we look at our page currently in visitors view, then we can see there are two call to action buttons are visible. One is send message and one is sign up. So now we would be changing this button of sign up to book now. For that, let's click on this add a button area, select book with you, and in that select book now. Click next. Here we will be able to see these three options. Link to website. That means if you already have some facility to book appointment on your website, then you can link it directly over here. If if you are already subscribed to some paid services, then you can connect those tools over here. The paid services are like Booksy, MyTime, Square, and all these paid services are available. But what I would suggest is to start with, let's go for appointments on Facebook with Gmail. For that, click here. Now we can start setup. Here is the timings across the week. We have already set up this during optimization of the page process, during optimization of the page, but still if you want to change something, you can do it over here. Now here comes the actual setup part. Appointment approval. This is by default on, and that says manually approve appointment before they confirmed with the customers. I would suggest you keep this turn on, so you will have, every time you will have clear idea how many appointments you have received and how many you have confirmed. Now you can be in a industry where like a person can require your services in the slot of 30 minutes to 2 hours, probably let's say beauty and personal care, like nail care, hair care, face care. Those services from salon and beauty parlors are of those nature. But certain services are such where at the same time you can attend multiple customers. Either you have that large team, or your services are such that you can attend multiple people. In that scenario, you can turn this on. Even when your slot is booked, other people can also book the same time. So let's say somebody has already taken an appointment for Monday 10:30, then other people will also be able to take an appointment for the same time. But as if now I am not turning it on. Now sync to Google Calendar, turn this on, and you will be required to log into your Gmail account. So I am right now using my Strikers India Gmail account, and I need to tick mark this email. Now that is asking us to review our services. We have already set up those, so we can skip it. But even if you want to check, then click next, and all services would be available over here. If you want to edit something, you can click this edit button and do it. If there is no modifications, then click this done button. So by default it is taking us to appointment sections, and it is showing like we can add appointment over here. So apart from our Facebook, somebody is taking appointment on phone or email or through our website, then we can add those appointments over here. But right now our focus is not that. We would be focusing on how to take appointments on Facebook. So we have installed the book now button. So I'm refreshing the visitor view of our page, and you can see the button has changed. Instead of sign up, book now is appearing now over here. And if somebody is accessing the page through laptop or desktop, then the biggest benefit is they would be seeing this thing at the top level. This is huge benefit, because this is the starting part of the page, and you are showing your availability to book on any date and your services. So this really can interest the target audience. Now let's say if I am not accessing my this page through laptop or desktop, then in mobile I would be seeing this book now button. When I click this, similar functionality will open up over there. So let's say I want to take an appointment for 15th April, and it would be for diet consultation, and I want to go in morning 10:30. Immediately this pop-up will appear and it will ask for my mobile number. So the service provider can contact me and initiate the talk. I can add any mobile number over here. If I want to give any specific notes to the people, like let's say I am allergic to green peas, so while they are preparing something for my dieting plan, then they can have an idea like, okay, green peas needs to be avoided, and I click this request appointment. Once the request is done, let's check it in the messenger. In my personal messenger, I can see that I have requested appointment for diet consultation on 15th April at 10:30. This is my mobile number, and these are the notes I have given to the company. Now, as a company, I need to respond to this particular appointment, right? This is yet not confirmed. This is only a request. So if I there are two ways I can connect to this requested appointment. I'm just refreshing the page. Now I can see this notifications. So whenever somebody is requesting an appointment, this notification will appear over here. If I click that notification, then that particular appointment will open up in the appointment section. You can see 15th April, my details have opened over here. I can, as in Strikers India, I can approve it, I can reject it, or I can edit the timing or anything if required. Another way to reach your appointment is on the top area. You can see this appointments section, and inside that on the left hand side you will see all the requested appointments. So as of now there is only one, so this one is highlighted in red. I can see all the requested appointments over here. If I click it, all the details will appear. So from here or from here, both the way I can approve the request. Let's say I click it from here. Now if I check my messenger, then I have got another message from Strikers India which says appointment confirmed. Now we had integrated this in Google Calendar. So let's refresh this Google Calendar once and see what has happened over there. We requested the appointment for 15th April. So here 15th April 10:30, the things have been added. So this way all the appointments for a day or a week or month can be seen in this Google Calendar itself. and I can manage all the appointments from here. I can cancel it, I can edit the timings, everything is possible from here itself. So with this integration of book now button, you would be able to engage with your customers, your target audience, and you can provide them a way to consume your services. So I hope this is very much clear how to integrate this, and as I've said, you really don't need any paid services to book your appointments through Facebook. So try it on your page, and thank you. See you in next chapter.